Hey guys, Tony here. I'm sorry I didn't update today. I had like a bunch of work at work or whatever, but I wanted to make a really quick video on BTC just because I think that I do think that we are going to be dropping again soon. And roughly, this video is not going to take too long, right? But I mean, I think that for this next drop, what did we drop last time, bro? We did like 7,600. So I do think that we are going to see a drop at around, what time did I say? I think around like 7 o'clock p.m. I mean, right now it's 5. 5 o'clock PST. Remember, this is California time. So whatever your time is, just compare to that. But I do think that 7 o'clock p.m. PST is when we might see another run towards the downside. So last time so essentially what we're creating right now is going to be another perfect sell-off. I mean, last time we did this, we basically created a perfect sell-off right here at this price point of, I'm in the bathroom, so that's probably maybe just here an echo, but we did a perfect sell-off at around that 41,000 area, right? And why do we perfectly sell off? We had that green bubble created on the reverse MACD, and then we also created tops on the stochastic. This is a 30-minute, so a little bit shorter time frame, but I think the 30-minute is actually going to be what we're going to be looking out for. So right here on the stochastic, we are looking like we're going to be creating those tops soon. And also it looks like we are going to be creating maybe that another green little bubble to kind of initiate for the MACD, basically telling me, hey, if you're long in this position, sell within the next maybe hour or so. So maybe by like 6 o'clock, we're going to start seeing a rundown, maybe within the next half an hour or so. And I do think, so last time, what did we see? Last time we went down with $7,600 in 8 hours. So I mean, if we can kind of forecast something similar from, let's say, right like around this price range, let's go like right here. So 7,600 drop, 76 in how many hours? 8 hours. Let's go right here. But 7,600, 7,620. Yeah, that's fine, right? Like somewhere around there. So I do think within the next, like 8 hours or so after this gets created, we will be seeing another, $29,000, $30,000 Bitcoin, and which kind of brings us to maybe having Bitcoin within the next, I gotta move this to the right. This one, 8 hours. There we go. 70. God, I hate when that happens. 8 hours, 7,600. Like that's whatever then. 76, 73, whatever, that's close enough. But anyways, we are going to be looking at maybe like a 29,730K Bitcoin within the next 8 hours or so. From here, if these tops get created on the 30-minute chart, right? So I'm guessing sometime around like 1 in the morning, that's when we're going to see the next, where we might see lows and possibly keep going down from there. But 23, 24, yeah. So I do think that sometime around 1 in the morning tomorrow is when we might start seeing this $30,000 Bitcoin. But yeah, like I said, I do think that we're going to go down. As far as like other like indications and stuff, the thing is, it's kind of hard to tell right now where we're specifically going because we're creating a bunch of, I got so many freaking forecasts. I'm going to delete all these because I don't need any of these. Let me delete all these for now, right? Just to kind of keep things a little bit more simple for everybody. But I mean, the thing is though, if I were to like, if Bitcoin wasn't in such a heavy like down market, this would be a perfect signal for me to buy. Like, reverse MACD is creating these red dots, which basically means, if you're in a short position, sell because Bitcoin is looking at going up, and the stochastic is creating clear bottoms right here. So if it was any other situation, I would 100% buy right now, 100%. And I would think that, based on previous runs, so last time we did what? 48 to peaks of, what was the peak over here? Peaks of 58. So I would think that maybe from right here, from literally like right here, we would see peaks of like 10,000. So the next stop that I would like, if I were to buy right now, I would expect to be getting out sometime, after like at 47,000. But because we're in such a bearish territory right now, especially for Bitcoin, it's kind of hard to really gauge what's going on. I mean,